In March of 2009, were you working as a personal chef for Mr. Michael Jackson?
Yes.
Were you working for him at his residence on Carrollwood Drive here in Los Angeles?
Yes.
Ms. Chase, when you were working for Mr. Jackson as a personal chef, were you also cooking for his family?
Yes.
So you met his children, Prince, Paris, and Blanket?
Yes.
Did your duties and responsibilities as a personal chef include preparing daily meals for Mr. Jackson as well as his children?
Yes.
Ms. Chase, I'd like you to take a look at the exhibit that I placed on the projector, previously marked as People's Number 5. Do you recognize who is depicted? Let me fix this. Who is depicted in People's Number 5?
Yes, I do.
Are those Michael's children, Paris, Prince, and Blanket?
Yes.
You may remove the exhibit.
Describe
Once you're
for,
done with it. Thank you.
describe for us your duties and responsibilities as it related to working for Mr. Jackson and his family.
My duties were to prepare breakfast, lunch, and dinner for Mr. Jackson and his children on a daily.
So every day you would report to the Carrollwood residence, is that correct?
6 days a week, yes.
So that was your full-time job?
Yes, it was.
As part of your duties, did you learn what each member of the Jackson family liked to eat each day for their meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
Yes.
Did you also learn to prepare what they didn't like or not prepare what they did not like?
Not prepare what they didn't like.
And you took care of the marketing, correct?
Yes, I did.
Did the children participate in selecting the items that you would obtain from the market and prepare for the meals for themselves and their father?
No. It's basically, something that I would do and prepare as a professional.
Did you enjoy working for Mr. Jackson and his children?
Yes, I did.
As a professional chef, even working in a personal home, what type of attire would you wear on your daily work schedule?
I wear a professional chef's uniform, which consists of a professional chef's jacket and a long bistro apron in white.
So it's a chef's jacket and a bistro apron.
Yes.
Does the chef's jacket have pockets?
2 front pockets are on the bistro apron.
And that would be on the very front of your apron, right in
Yes.
front of you?
Right in front, yes.
Ms. Chase, as a professional chef, is it important for you to keep track of time?
Absolutely. As a professional chef, time is very important.
Why is that?
Well, as a professional chef, there are things that you must pay attention to. Certain things like food that's in the oven, that are baked, things that are baking, items that are on the stove, and also the critical timing of getting a dish out on time.
So would it be accurate that as you're working as a chef, you generally have a sense of time about you as you're going through your preparations and your workday?
Absolutely.
In addition to being time sensitive and aware of time, do you also keep time by looking at a clock, a watch, so forth?
Yes, I do.
And how is it that you generally keep time, that yourself is aware of time?
Generally, I have a cell phone on me, and I usually have that cell phone on my persons, which is in my pockets, where I can look at it every time I need to.
When you were working in the Jackson home in March of 2009, did you keep your cell phone in your front pocket of your bistro apron of your chef's uniform?
Yes, I did.
Let's talk about your typical schedule. You told us that you work 6 days a week. typically, what time would you arrive at the Jackson residence to begin your workday?
I would arrive around 8 a.m., between 8 and 8:30 a.m.